Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing of this headphone, which is used in most of the PPOs, and where I can see this is manufactured in March and this is the latest version. So I'm gonna show you this particular product, and I'm gonna make an unboxing of this. And I'd like to thank you all guys, because you have given me a continuous support you have helped me in uploading more and more videos. Please do subscribe and click on bell icon to get all latest notifications of my video. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and please do comment, and please give me the feedbacks on my video, so it will help me in making all corrections, and it will help me in uploading more and more. So let's begin the unboxing guys. I've just opened the box, and here comes the headset, and here comes the jack which will connect to the headset and the mobile or a computer, which is 3.5mm jack. This is the main jack which will be connecting to the headset. And let me just open this. Okay, here comes the headset, and you can see the model number and the name of the headset. It has got a flexible microphone extender, so it is flexible, and it has got a small sponge over here which is called as the filter or the noise reduction thing. And here comes the clip which have to connect to the jack over here. Let me just open this jack. Here comes the jack, and here we're gonna connect this both. So let me just connect this. I'm sorry, I'm just using my one hand where I'm recording in another hand, and I'm just trying to put this. This is how you're gonna connect, and this is one which you will be connecting to the mobile or a computer or a laptop, and it has like almost 1.5 meter of length. So I think this is very sufficient, and the quality is a bit good, the cable quality and everything. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful to you. Please do subscribe, share, like my video, and help me in uploading more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. But the thing is, here doesn't have an option to mute or put on hold. You don't get that option. You directly get an option where you have to just plug in, and you have to use your device to mute the call or anything. So thank you for watching this, and hope this video was useful to you. Please support me in uploading more and more videos guys. Thank you so much.